Introducing the only minivan in America with German engineering, the 2011 Volkswagen Routan. Hang on to your sippy cups. The Routan handles like the quick and nimble German-inspired auto that it is. European handling and an electronic stabilization program yield improved driving dynamics that make your Routan yield to you. The spacious interior seats 7 with room to spare, and it easily accommodates every passenger's needs with features like available fold-in floor third-row seating, 3-zone climate control, a DVD player, and 2 9-inch flat-screen monitors capable of independent operation. Plus, every control is within reach from your steering wheel with an optional electronic vehicle info center. Every Volkswagen comes standard with a comprehensive set of safety features. The features work in harmony to both help you avoid an accident and protect you if an accident is unavoidable. Dual front airbags deploy almost instantly in the event of an accident. The 2011 Volkswagen Routan. It's what the people want.
You'll always deal direct with the owner and save at Audi Newton and Volkswagen of Newton. I guarantee it.